I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking this video. Please, before you leave, do not forget to actually hit the subscribe button so that you can become part of the family. And also please turn on your post notifications so that you can get a notification whenever I post a new video this summer. I feel like I always start like all my YouTube videos with this excuse. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I've been very busy. But it's actually true, I've been really busy, and I posted a makeup video last summer, so like a year ago, and I feel terrible, guys. I decided to do something like really glowy, summery, and I was actually inspired by one of my favorite Nigerian makeup artists, and I feel like she's the best. In my opinion, she's the best Nigerian makeup artist, and that is Beyonce. So yeah, this look was inspired by her. I wanted to do something soft, glowy, a pop of color, simple and summery. So guys, if you would want to see how I achieved this look, wait, I didn't even say anything to my family. My family, if you're watching this video, my family meaning like my already subscribed subscribers. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for your patience. Like, I wish I had time for YouTube during school, but I just don't. But yeah, thank you guys so much for like being really patient with me. Thank you for returning. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. Thank you so much. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get right into the tutorial. So I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this isn't for extra dry skin because you know we're in summer, it's no longer winter. I used the Hydro Boost for extra dry skin during winter because my skin was dry. But summer is gonna be hot, I'm gonna get oily, so I just want something like light. Next, I'm going in with my Nivea Moisturizing Cream. Just gonna put that all over my face. And the look is a glowy look, so I really want to glow under all my makeup. Lastly, I'm gonna go with some almond oil. I don't know if y'all can see this. And I got the almond oil from Walmart, so yeah, just gonna put like a little bit. Lastly, I'm moisturizing my lips with Carmex. So guys, as you can tell, today is not Makeup Mondays, and I'm talking like this because I have allergies. I don't know if I decided to be sick or why my body decided to be sick during the summer when I'm supposed to be having fun. So I really don't know what order I want to do my makeup in. I really wanted to start with the face, you know, like try something new. But I guess I'm just going to do my eyebrows first, then my face, and then I guess my eyeshadow. So to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using just a regular eyebrow pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's the shade dark brown, I believe. But yeah, so I'm going to fill in my eyebrows lightly because I don't want anything too dark. Maybe towards the end I'll make it dark, but like I don't want them too bold or anything. I'm going to use my Maybelline 330 foundation as my concealer. So for the past 5 months or so, I've been using this contour stick by Maybelline as my foundation. It is in the shade 360 Mocha, and it just really gives me that dewy finish, that dewy look. I'm just going to be taking my concealer brush to apply it because like it's almost finished. Before I blend everything out, I'm going to be applying my Maybelline concealer. This is the Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's in the shade Caramel. I'm going to apply that like right under my eye. Right there. Taking my foundation. I don't know if I want to use a beauty blender or a foundation brush. I haven't used a beauty blender in like years. I guess I'm going to try one side and see if I like it. I actually like what the beauty blender is doing, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out using the beauty blender. Set my under eyes. I'm going to quickly, very quickly sweep some setting powder under my eye. I don't want to bake or anything because it's very risky. So I'm going to take my powder brush. It's actually a contour brush, but I'm going to be using it anyways. I'm going in with my Dead Covergirl Cream Bronzer in the shade Q120. Just going. Now to set everything, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Moving on, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Warrior Palette. And I'm taking this really nice brown matte shade and I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to go into my second Juvia's Place palette, Zulu, and I'm taking this hot pink shade. I'm going to be applying this pink shade into my inner corners. Then, taking this little glitter thing from Wet n Wild, I just picked up when I walked into Walmart. Then taking my fingers, I'm going to dig into this and apply it on my eyelid. So to complete my eye look, I'm going in with my Artist Couture Highlighter, conceited. I'm going to put that on the high point of my brow bone. Okay guys, I just applied my lashes and my mascara and we're almost done. Don't worry, yeah, going very soon. To complete the look, I am going to use my highlighter. For my lips, I'm going to be using it's an eye pencil, but nobody cares. I'm going to be using that to line my lips. So I feel like doing something peachy for my lips, but I don't have like any coral lipsticks or anything. My lashes is okay. So I'm actually going to be using the color corrector and brown lipstick. Let's just see how this works out. This dark cherry-ish color from my Juvia's Place palette and this huge powder brush which already has some product on it, and I'm going to like buff some color onto my cheek.
But you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong.